by excessive rainfall is expected. Where portions of north central and northeast
I'm trying to do a live stream, Youngstown. Thank you for not minding your business.
In northeast Ohio, Holmes, Stark, and Wayne. When? Until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Additional details at 6:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Kenton, Mansfield, Mount Gilead, Millersburg, Massillon, Berlin, Lexington, Walnut Creek, Minerva, Loudonville, Fredericktown, Brewster, Navarre, Belleville, Shreve, Waynesburg, East Sparta, Kilbuck, Holmesville, and Wilmot. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The forecast for the Valley